So abo rabaki futhi ngeke ngithi askisi madoda mangithi abo rabaki because kumele simene up madoda sesibadala sikhathele kulo sikhonjwa wire.
Yeah, you are taking advantage. I mean, with no permission. Doesn't matter what is or not. You're not entitled to anybody, even no man shutting.
Yeah.
Nobody's entitled to someone else's item. Nobody's entitled to someone else's body for that matter. We are going through what we call marital rape these days.
Let me unbutton here, Masishan.
He conned me. He conned me. He made me believe. You. And I'm still angry. I'm angry. I'm a single mom. I'm left with this child. I've got to make these decisions after time in my life. It's not the same anymore. Hence I'm saying we're not out here to attack him. But what happened to me, Magahamba, now I was imprisoned. Because I didn't know him.
I'm tempted to
through
say
that.
And
And then I had people insulting me on Facebook. I had girls. Hey, there's a point where even prior to his release, he had women that have money that were doing things for Noah. That's why I'm not here to attack the guy. I was so traumatically affected that I would walk into a wardrobe and tear her clothes apart. She approached me. She was angry. I pick his Xhosa. But again, oh my God. Okay, so ngizokhuluma nobani? How long asekho? How sekumele ngihambe no Pinky? Akusazwani. But I only find out after this car to say Baba Kobeka John. Line next door. Sengimdala where I can stomach it with I'm a resile. I'm a really khohlakele nami bengizoyishiya.
These people are tampering with my peace.
And then something said wake up, ungavuki imoto ayikho akekho. Ngifuna track manje untshontsile phela uthatha imoto yami apha.
Angifuni laba ba off, ngifuna laba ba straight. Laba bathi no, let's change the narrative.
Because sengithanda imali and akafuni ngifune bafaneni imali. I never got help. I went for 5 sessions. She doesn't show up. The psychologist. Some men are what they are to their women of what they come from mama families. You understand? Leyo yona iyenzeka ngesibaleke. But please, women are hurt.